The Schwab U.S. Large Cap ETF, SCHX, is an exchange-traded fund, ETF, that is designed to track the performance of the largest U.S. companies. It is managed by Charles Schwab Investment Management and is listed on the New York Stock Exchange. SCHX aims to provide investors with exposure to the largest and most established companies in the United States. The fund tracks the performance of the Dow Jones U.S. Large Cap Total Stock Market Index, which includes companies with a market capitalization of at least $10 billion. This index is considered to be a benchmark for large-cap U.S. stocks and represents the performance of the top 85% of publicly traded companies in the United States by market capitalization. One of the main advantages of investing in SCHX is that it provides investors with diversified exposure to a wide range of large-cap U.S. companies. The fund holds over 400 stocks, which helps to spread out risk and lower the overall volatility of the portfolio. This makes it a suitable investment for those looking for a low-cost and diversified way to gain exposure to the large-cap U.S. stock market. SCHX has a low expense ratio of 0.03%, which makes it one of the most cost-effective ways for investors to gain exposure to the large-cap U.S. stock market. The ETF has a net asset value, NAV, of approximately $7.5 billion as of 2021. This makes it one of the larger ETF in the U.S. market, which can indicate a good liquidity for investors. SCHX has a dividend yield of around 1.3% and it has a history of consistently paying dividends. The ETF is suitable for investors who are looking for an income stream in addition to capital growth. Additionally, it can be a good option for those who are looking to gain exposure to large U.S. companies with a good performance and dividend history. Overall, the Schwab U.S. Large Cap ETF, SCHX, is a low-cost and diversified way for investors to gain exposure to the large-cap U.S. stock market. Its low expense ratio, high diversification, and history of paying dividends make it a suitable investment for those looking for a long-term, passive investment in the U.S. stock market. It is important to note that ETFs like SCHX are subject to market risk and other risks, including those regarding the underlying securities, and therefore you should read the fund's prospectus carefully before making an investment. Furthermore, ETFs are not guaranteed, their values change frequently and past performance may not be indicative of future results. As always, you should conduct your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.